Hey guys, it's Nightglider here, and welcome back again to a new Animal Jam video. This is part 2 of that fashion show for number 1. I'm just gonna get that one saved, and then I will be able to post it. Is Rudolph back? Ooh! Ooh! Rudolph! Ooh! I don't know, maybe. Ooh! Yeah, we got Rudolph here. Never fear, Rudolph is here. Yeah, that's my new blind. Okay. Anyways, this is part 2 of the fashion show. Sorry, I can only record up to 15 minutes. I'm not like that premium stuff. Blah 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 blah. All that. But whatever. Here we go. Maybe we're currently waiting on Jolly Penguin. Sorry about that last episode. I was explaining a lot of stuff about training, even though that was my very first Animal Jam video. I just completely forgot. But anyways, this is my second Animal Jam video of a fashion show. Wait for the penguin! I don't care if I'm out. Okay, what's happening? Screen. Okay. Never mind, nothing's happening. Yeah, I love my monkey very much, and I quite adore my best friend's hood. I mean, I don't want it. I'm never gonna scam my buddy. But don't worry, I will be doing some more MLP tributes. I will be doing a lot of things. MLP tributes, Lion King tributes, Warrior Cat tributes, any tributes with a song, I don't care, all of them, all of the Warrior Cats, everything, I don't care, every single thing. And more Animal Jam videos, more gaming videos, just everything. This is a great YouTube channel that I've made. Don't forget to subscribe to me, thank you very much. Sorry if I constantly check my time. It doesn't really show up. Alright, next thing. And perhaps the last thing. Lobster. Oh, I forgot to buy the things. No, lobster. I forgot to... Ooh. Can I buy it from here? I'm ultimately cheating. Okay, thank you. I was meant to save that money for something else. Thank you. I'm ultimately cheating. This is such cheating. Buying stuff from the shop. See, that's what you do. You cheat. You buy stuff from the shop down there in the corner. What a great move by me. I'm gonna keep the light bulb nose on because it looks adorable. I didn't even have enough. In fact, you look at me go. It's me. I'm gonna think of a superhero name for my monkey boy. I swear to God that Fabulous Daisy Rabbit is just changing her colors and like not even changing. Also, what the frickety flop. He has a snow emoji. I know I don't like fashion and all. I'm out. I know I don't like fashion and I'm all being weird right now. I don't have any lobster hand. Here. See, this is how you make outfits. You give it a white bottom color, and then you make you get any sort of like design here. Like I'll show you. So basically, you keep the bottom color here white, and then on here, you choose anything, and you keep that white as well. And then you go here, you can use any color, and it'll suit anything. Look at that, it's beautiful and black. See, it suits any color. Popsicle's ready because I want to win this thing. Oh, Flora's back. Oh yay! I this is my second fashion show. I've won. You guys didn't see it because this is my second year. Let me guess the prize. Is there a prize, bud? Clover tiara? Same here. Whoops, I nearly ended it. I'm just being up to the top corner because it's annoying me. Same here. I have spikes though. It's in your trade list. But I still won. And I got a clever tiara. I'll take it, bud. Although I might trade it though. I'll see if I can get a different clover tiara. But it looks really nice though. Good game, everyone. This is great. I'm getting new stuff, new things. I'm in love with this lobster. Everyone gets snow by Miss Snow Machine. And my animal is messed up. So is mine. I'm gonna change it. Anyways, I'm still new to this game, so I will be doing new episodes almost every weekly. Oops, what's happening? Buddy? Oh. I'm gonna leave this episode here. I hope you guys enjoy watching, and this was so much fun to do. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!